Running a business means handling invoices. But are you still relying on paper? If so, you're wasting time, money, and effort. Let's talk about why e-invoicing is the future for SMEs in Malaysia, and why you should switch today. If you're still using paper invoices, you know the struggle. Printing costs, postage fees, and manual filing take up time and money. But that's not all. Imagine this. You send an invoice by mail, but the customer takes weeks to respond. By the time you follow up, the invoice is lost or buried under a pile of paperwork. That means more delays, cash flow problems, and unnecessary stress. Now enter digital invoicing. With platforms like assist.biz, you can send a compliant e-invoice in seconds. You get real-time tracking, automated payment reminders, and everything stored securely in one place. No more printing, no more chasing payments, just fast, reliable invoicing, fully in line with Malaysia LHDN My Invoice system. Here's the best part. E-invoicing saves businesses up to 80% on invoicing costs. No more paper, printing, or postage expenses. Plus, payments are processed faster because everything is digital. And here's something all Malaysian businesses need to know. E-invoicing will be mandatory by 2025. If you don't switch now, you'll be forced to catch up later. So why not get ahead of the game today? So why should you choose assist.biz for your e-invoicing needs? Well, assist.biz is a leading platform designed to help SME in Malaysia simplify and automate their invoicing process. With assist.biz, you can create compliant invoices, manage payments, and track all your transactions, all in one easy-to-use platform. It's designed specifically with small business owners in mind, making the transition to digital invoicing seamless and stress-free. The future of invoicing isn't just coming, it's already here. Businesses that adapt now will enjoy smoother operations, better cash flow, and full compliance with Malaysia's tax regulations. And the best part? With Assist.biz, you can get started with a free lifetime trial. No credit card needed, no hidden fees. Just sign up and start e-invoicing today.